Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add checkmark symbol in publisher document. So get started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show add checkmark symbol. Now go to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a symbol option. Now click for a more symbol. Then we show. Now font type from a winding sing. Now for press enter. Now find your checkmark symbol. Then you show checkmark symbol. Now for click. Then click for insert option. Now close from that it's. Now select from checkmark. Now click for home menu option. Then change from size. That it's. Now insert color. Then you show add checkmark symbol in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for